Welcome back to Foundations of Health, number 6, exercise and body work. I'm going to lump them both together because one brings about activity and movement and circulation, and the other brings about more of restorative nature and activities. And I think both are really important for us Americans. So exercise, while I'm not necessarily an authority on exercise itself, that's my husband's department, I want to convey the importance of movement and how critical it is, because exercise increases circulation, lymphatic movement. It strengthens, obviously, bones, muscles, and joints. It controls weight, burns fat, and builds lean muscle. And it reduces it helps to reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression. Weight-bearing exercises are especially important for premenopausal women. Definitely choose an exercise that you do not dread. For instance, I can walk the entire island of Manhattan, but if you ask me to run around the block, that sounds dreadful to me. So people need to, people like to either, they could like to work out really hard, they could require more of a peaceful activity or a fun activity. What do you like to do? It depends on you. It depends on your constitution, your lifestyle, your activity level. But one thing for sure is that we all need movement every day. Work out during the daytime hours. I know someone who used to push herself and get on the treadmill at 10 o'clock at night. Needless to say, she did not sleep. She would do this time after time. It would set off a cascading, alarms in her body. And, it's really important to follow proper sleep protocols. Do not work out at night, late at night. You want to work out during the morning or during the day, but you don't want to rev yourself up at night. And pay attention to what your body needs. Honor yourself and your body. Your body is intelligent, and it knows what it needs to do. Body work. So like I said, I'm going to lump this in. Peaceful activities can be very restorative. And, us Americans, we tend to live a very hectic lives. Maybe not active, but hectic. And I think restorative activities are really important and needed. If you look at the Europeans, I grew up knowing that they knew how to live. You go to Europe and you see they have a different way of living. They enjoy life. We don't necessarily do that as a society, but I highly suggest some of the healing arts, such as acupuncture, going to the chiropractor, massage, reflexology, craniology therapy, craniosacral therapy, and then things like Tai Chi. These things will teach you how to breathe, how to relax, put you into alignment. Really important. I don't always stop to do it myself, but when I do, I just cherish every moment because there's so many physical and emotional benefits from these things. So physical contact in general, and that's why massages are so great, are really important because in and of itself, it can stimulate oxytocin, the bonding hormone, and it reduces blood pressure and cortisol. So ironically, it also has cardioprotective effects. So, you get it, the heart, that's why a good hug is memorable. And so make sure you give somebody a hug, make an appointment with one of these healing arts mentioned above, and enjoy the peace and the specialties that some of these people have taken the time to learn and can share. So enjoy and like and subscribe and share. And I'll see you next week for the last foundation.